Cayman Islands are ranked number 6 in the Atlantic Basin for 40-plus mile-per-hour impacts in Hurricane City's top 50. Strangely enough, the Cayman Islands have also seen a decrease in activity since 1990. In fact, the whole area from southern Florida south to Jamaica has seen a decrease in activity. Most of the rest of the basin has seen an uptick in activity. Will this trend continue? We'll see. Here are some of the most intense hurricanes to impact the Cayman Islands. In 1932, on November 7th, a Category 4 hurricane hit from the south with 155 mile-per-hour winds, with the eye passing right over Little Cayman Island, causing very heavy damage. The trajectory from the south caused very heavy damage on Cayman Brac. Estimates are of a storm surge up to 32 feet. 109 people were killed here. Losses in Grand Cayman included 60 houses entirely demolished or seriously damaged. 250 people lost practically all their possessions and were rendered homeless. In 1952, Hurricane Fox pounds the islands while moving up from the south, passing just 36 miles to the west of Grand Cayman Island with 140 mile-per-hour winds on October 24th. 1980, August 6th, Hurricane Allen hits sister islands with 155 mile-per-hour winds. Cayman Brac was hit with winds in excess of 100 knots, but no casualties were reported. 1988, September 13th, Hurricane Gilbert brushed 20 miles to the south of Grand Cayman Island with 150 mile-per-hour winds. An anemometer on a 40-foot tower is the only measurement taken as Gilbert passed, recording a gust to 157 miles per hour between 7 and 8 o'clock in the morning. The assumption gave the winds of around 93 miles per hour at Grand Cayman with gusts to 120 miles per hour. Only a 5-foot storm surge was reported due to the deep water around the islands. The wind, however, caused moderate damage due to quick movement, very good construction, and of course not being hit directly. Very severe damage occurred to crops, pastures, trees, and a number of private homes their owners away was virtually destroyed. 2004, September 12th, Grand Cayman was hit by Hurricane Ivan with 155 mile-per-hour winds, moving just to the south, with Ivan having a large wind field approximately 85 miles out. Heavy damage occurred in Grand Cayman with many roofs ripped off well-built buildings, as many as 95%. High gust recorded was 169 miles per hour with an 8 to 10 foot storm surge. 12.14 inches of rain, 2 deaths as a result in the Cayman Islands, $1.8 billion in damage. A monument has been erected in the memory of Ivan. The most recent devastating hurricane was in 2008, November 8th, as Hurricane Paloma hit Cayman Brac and Little Cayman Island with 140 mile-per-hour winds while moving northeast. Many roofs were reported blown off. Injuries were reported, but there were no deaths. A storm surge of 4.8 feet is estimated to have occurred on Cayman Brac, with 2 to 4 feet estimated on Little Cayman Island. On Cayman Brac, an unofficial anemometer at an elevation of 27 meters measured a wind of 131 knots near the time of Paloma's maximum intensity. Nearly 18 inches of rain fell in Cayman Brac.